Step 1. Eligibility requirements. Before you can become an armed security officer in New Jersey, you must qualify under the Security Officer Registration Act, known as SORA, and meet firearm licensing requirements. To qualify, you must be at least 18 to work unarmed, be at least 21 or older to carry a handgun, be legally eligible to work in the U.S., pass a criminal background check, have no felony or disqualifying criminal convictions, possess a valid government-issued photo ID. Step 2. Understand how New Jersey licensing works. In New Jersey, all security guards must first register under SORA as an unarmed officer before upgrading to armed status. This means you must apply for SORA Security Officer Certification, complete the state-approved Security Officer Training course, pass a fingerprint-based background check. Once approved, you receive your SORA Security Officer registration, which allows you to work unarmed. Step 3. Before you can work armed, you must have legal authority to carry a handgun in New Jersey. Armed SORA certification does not authorize you to carry a firearm by itself. You must first obtain a New Jersey permit to carry a handgun, which involves submitting an application through your local police department, completing firearms qualification and safety training, submitting fingerprints and background checks, and paying the application fee. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Complete the firearm training and qualification required for your carry permit. Training generally includes safe firearm handling, use of force law, range qualification, defensive firearm fundamentals, legal responsibilities while carrying. This training is required before your permit to carry application can be approved. Step 5. Once you have your carry permit, you must complete the SORA Armed Security Officer training. This training focuses on how firearms are used specifically in the security profession. Topics typically include use of force for security officers, arrest powers and limitations, duty-specific firearm handling, incident reporting and liability, weapon retention, and safety procedures. If you're serious about getting into security, consider joining the Guard Guys YouTube channel as a member. Members get custom emojis, loyalty badges, member shoutouts, and videos. Special thanks to current members Redeveret Colonia and Wenblend for supporting the channel. Step 6. Once your training is complete, you'll receive official completion documentation. These certificates verify armed security officer training, firearm qualification, eligibility to apply for armed SORA certification. You must submit these with your armed security application. Step 7. Complete fingerprinting for the armed security officer certification. Even if you were previously fingerprinted for the unarmed SORA, the armed certification requires a new application and fingerprints. Bring valid government ID, your SORA application information, the required fingerprint processing fee. Step 8. Submit your armed security officer certification application through the New Jersey State Police. You'll need proof of SORA security officer certification, proof of permit to carry approval, armed security training documentation, fingerprint confirmation, and application fee. In New Jersey, the application is typically submitted through your security employer who registers you in the state system. Most applicants complete the full process, training, fingerprinting, permit approval, and SORA registration in about 4 to 10 weeks, depending on class scheduling and firearm permit processing. Step 9. Let's break down the typical cost to become an armed security guard in New Jersey. If you're starting from scratch, the unarmed SORA application is $75, fingerprinting is $70 to $80, SORA training course can be from $0 to $200, permit to carry application is $200, firearms qualification $150 to $300, armed security training $100 to $200. The estimated total $600 to $1,050. If you already have SORA, the permit to carry application is $200, firearms qualification $150 to $300, armed security training $100 to $200, fingerprinting $70 to $80. The estimated total is $520 to $780. These totals may vary and do not include the cost of your firearm, holster, or duty gear. And for perspective, the median wage for security guards in New Jersey is about $18.62 per hour, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. According to Indeed, armed security positions in New Jersey frequently pay around $25 per hour, depending on site and experience. Step 10. Once approved, you'll receive your armed SORA certification. There are some important renewal rules. Unarmed SORA licenses renew every 2 years. Armed SORA certification renews every year. Armed officers must complete annual refresher training. Failing to renew or complete training can result in suspension of your armed status. Step 11. Once you're licensed, you can begin applying for armed positions across New Jersey. Search job boards like Indeed. Join the r/Guard Guides community on Reddit to compare pay, licensing requirements, and job experiences across the industry. For helpful tools and guides, visit guardguides.com or my Etsy page. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Guard Guides, and be safe.